Howdy everybody, good morning. So today is Saturday and June the 6th, 2020. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. We got the fishing pole, y'all see this here? The old Zepco 33. And this ain't no sweet tea, we got some bait here. You see them worms up in there? We fixing to go catch us some fish. Now we went out garage selling this morning, and garage selling is a lot like fishing. Sometimes you go out there and you get every spot you get and you just ain't finding nothing, or you ain't catching nothing. So today we decided to split this video up between some garage sales, Lord at the mosquitoes, between some garage sales that we didn't find anything. I'm getting eaten alive, buddy, and some fishing in a small pond. So y'all come with us.
$2. Most of the boxes, I'm sorry. Most of the boxes I got it labeled, like what to. I got another one somewhere. It's right here. All this stuff is in book. Yeah, all this stuff.
I don't think these
The
are
boxes,
real.
whatever's on the box is what it is. This is a $1 box.
Is that one you got real?
Looks real.
That's $1.
You got $2. Nothing else. I'll keep that one.
It's kind of money out here. Very expensive, especially nowadays.
That's crazy.
Very, very expensive.
How much is it?
How much for this shirt?
3.
No, but it's safety pins in there. And on the inside, we got all those for the vodka bottles. See the bottles in there? What you think?
Maybe.
I think that we couldn't figure out either. We like to put it
Probably.
up. When she first got it, I thought it was nice. How you doing, man?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Gonna be a hot one today, I think.
Yeah, I got soaked up some of that rain.
It's gonna be humid. So sometimes you gotta be fishing, you know, you got a big lake out there, a lot of garage sales, and you gotta pick which ones you go to find the right stuff. But sometimes, like today, there ain't just a few garage sales, so you gotta find that one fish, so to say, that one treasure in a small spot, which sometimes can be difficult to do. So we got our bait here. Here, hold this, baby. I ain't touching this darn worm. That thing is nasty. So let's pop one of these worms out here. We got us a worm. Y'all just remember, the important thing is when you garage selling is not to get all bent out of shape or discouraged when you ain't finding nothing. Maybe you need to swap out your tactics, you know, your baits, or find you a different fishing spot. So we got us a worm now. Y'all enjoy this footage. We'll come back at you. Morning.
I got a son-in-law. He comes and gets every one of my tools.
I do it so
And I
I
have
can
to
save
go
money.
back, and I have to go pick them up after a month or so.
I do it so I can save money. You don't have any.
Well, I know. And I don't mind as long as he tells me. But a lot of times I'll be needing something, I'll look and it's gone.
That aggravates.
And then I'm gonna call and say, oh yeah, I got that last week.
Yeah, that aggravates me now. Yeah, I don't mind you using it, just bring it back.
Yeah,
Cause when
bring it back.
I got my hands full and I need it, then I got to drive to your house to get it. That's kind of.
Yeah, aggravation. I know, I've been there, man.
You don't mind if I look around?
No, go right here. That's what it's for.
Thank you.
Be sad sitting here all day and nobody looked at it. How's the hunt going, kids?
That's a good one.
The hunt's going, y'all still ain't found nothing?
Hello, how y'all be? Y'all be okay this morning?
We are. How are you?
He's on the prowl. They were up here.
If you want to call it that, that's, you know, I don't know if y'all like Jeff Foxworthy or not, but you know, he come up with a whole book of words. Hey, I got my own words. Somebody, I mean, come on, I don't even want as much money as the man's got. Just, you know.
I think we all got our own word.
Which one is that?
I don't know. Raphael, maybe. I don't know.
That dog barking in my...
A doggone grown-ups.
Yeah, just listen.
Wrong choice. Come on, he's part of the family, you know?
Imagine when a burglar comes over and hears that. He must run in terror. Wow, what's that turkey doing in the house?
Somebody kill that turkey.
Let's get a rest.
Somebody kill that turkey!
How you doing?
How you?
All right. Burned up already.
Buddy, it's gonna be hot later, I think.
Well, by then we'll be stopped and sitting there.
Which one's that? Second season?
Yeah. See it? Uh-oh. Knock this whole thing off. I wish they had some king of queens. They're everywhere I go. I'm hungry.
I'm a little hungry, even though I ate this morning.
Roll Tide.
I only ate one this morning.
I was handing him some money.
What is it?
I don't know if it's for $30. The VTech machine and some games.
Oh, I think it's talking about this creepy little fella here.
Where's your son?
Trade Disney Princess. Oh, my no big small of them.
I don't think VTech's worth it.
I couldn't see it. What was it driving?
It was cell phone. Plastic wrap.
Hey, check that out. Hmm. Howdy, howdy. I know there ain't no more sales. We will.
I hope today's decent.
Mhm.
Yesterday, like to find out.
He has a hot one.
The other one got that table with.
Yeah.
Did you find any screws?
Yeah, we got some.
Did you? 2 or 3 of them. I didn't know they right away.
How much you got on this?
Probably $1, I guess. I think that plastic, I missed that paper for it, pulled it out, would it gets out?
I appreciate it. There's me a swing. Swing. 90. So sometimes, guys and gals, you may see a drive by a yard sale and ain't nothing in it but clothes looking. find treasure in the least expected place. Sometimes these little ditches, so to speak, or these bad yard sales hold the best jewels. Y'all may be saying, why are you fishing in that pond? Jerk on it, reel it in, reel it in. Look at that. Sometimes it's in the least expected place. So y'all keep on yard selling there, and you never know whenever you're gonna find treasure. It could be in the least suspected spot, ain't that right, really? Let's let this little guy go back in this ditch here. So, y'all just keep grinding at it, keep hunting the stuff, you'll find it. And till tomorrow, guys, we'll see you guys and gals tomorrow for our daily live show. You all take care.